I'm Dr. Maureen Piche. I'm the owner and dentist here at Harmony Dental Studio.
My name is Matthew Witt. I'm an orthodontist. I straighten people's teeth and give them amazing smiles.
I'm Melanie Karkner. I'm the dental hygienist at Harmony Dental Studios.
I'm Barb and I'm a CDA, that's a certified dental assistant.
My name is Laree and I am the treatment coordinator at Harmony Dental Studio.
I graduated from dental school in 2007 at the University of British Columbia. I started practice going out to Saskatchewan and then coming back to practice in the Lower Mainland for a couple years, and then had the fantastic opportunity to start a clinic for myself here in Steveston Village. I've lived here for 9 years myself, started the practice 3 years ago, and have watched it grow along with my families that come in. I have my children that I'm raising here. It's such a great place to raise a family, and I love it here so much. It's my village. I'm a part of it.
I'm actually a second generation orthodontist. My father was an orthodontist, so growing up I always had an interest in orthodontics. After dental school I went to the University of Alberta for my graduate training. I decided to come back to the community of South Delta and for practice in Ladner and Steveston. That's where I grew up, and I've always wanted to become a part of the community that I grew up in.
I've been a hygienist for about 20 years. I decided to go back to school and get my dental hygiene diploma. I became a hygienist because I felt that I wanted to work more with people, and I really like interacting with kids and learning all about their families.
I've been a CDA since 1984 and worked about 18 years in the field. I picked dental assisting because I wanted to work in the medical field. I liked working with people and I like helping them out, and it just seemed like an ideal fit for me.
I started off as a certified dental assistant and I worked for probably about 5 years, and then I moved up to the front. I've done front desk for probably about 15-20 years.
I have always started out in dentistry with a sense of caring for a person as a whole and not just a cavity on a tooth. So it was very important when I looked for the individual members of my team that they had that same approach. And the ultimate goal of what we do is to help people have their best oral care, but in combination with who they are and what they do and what their needs are.
I really enjoy working at the Harmony Dental Studio. Maureen and I were actually classmates and friends back in dental school. I think we have a similar treatment philosophy in that we want to do good work for our patients, but we also want to have a relationship with our patients and connect with them.
We all have the same values. We want to do a great job. We are very conscientious, and we get along. We're all friends.
I love working at Harmony Dental Studio. It's a great family practice. All the staff get along great. The patients are wonderful. It just is a real family practice, and everyone cares about the patient, not just their teeth health, but the whole person.
I enjoy working here at Harmony Dental Studio. The team is very warm, honest, and friendly.
When I practice dentistry, I think about the person as a whole, but also I kind of segment in a way areas of care. My 3 pillars of dentistry are basically form, function, and aesthetic. So all of those together basically mean that you are free of disease, your teeth are sound, you're able to bite and speak and function, and at the end of the day that everything looks to you in a way that fits you. You know, it doesn't mean that everything has to be perfect. It just means that you're comfortable with how you look, you're comfortable with how you function, and that speaks differently to each individual person.